So with multiple vendors and stakeholders and third-party technology providers and finally the end client, how do you ensure a healthy, strong transformation culture to get the job done right?
Let me start with the transformation initiative itself. The whole perspective of why a company is going through a transformation has its basis and foundation in terms of the fact that absolutely the industry, the competitive nature of the industry has changed. As a result, the as a state is no longer going to be fulfilling the business needs of an organization. And when you look at all of that, and also the dynamics that it's not about just the stakeholders in the company, it's about how do you make sure growth is happening? How do you make sure that your partners are no longer considered as a third party? They're part and parcel of the journey that you really want to embark. So when I think about it in that context, I would say that, the company's stakeholders, the competitors, the partners, as well as any other third party software or implementation vendors who are really needed overall for the journey, they all become married into like a unified entity to achieve a common goal. The purpose is the same. And that sense of purpose is what I would always advise needs to be the goal that needs to be set forth in these kind of transformation initiatives. So if I expand on that further, I'd say that the governance of these transformation initiatives therefore requires that the common goals, common KPIs is absolutely agreed on upfront. And post that, it's all about really going through the KPIs and evaluating, almost to an extent of a cadence that might seem like micromanagement, but that cadence is a must. You have to do it week on week and see where we are moving in that whole journey. That transformation journey is absolutely a journey. There's nothing called, hey, you're done with transformation today, let's now move on, and there's no more capex budget for that. It's about actually ensuring that you have started the journey, you have closed one phase of it, and then you move on to the next phase. Hope that.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So you really, as a partner for your customers, and having been a customer yourself, really see a project as having a purpose, a meaning, and goal. And you get all the parties a part of it to really define and like come to the same point. And you said something really key. It's a relationship, and you you really track how you are going against that purpose.